I'm Miss Kristen here at the Biggs Museum of American Art. Today, we are located on the first floor in a joint exhibition entitled Frida Kahlo Through the Lens of Nicholas Moray, and we also have in here a collection of masks entitled Unmasking Culture. Now, this collection of masks is what's inspiring our Biggs kids this week. So these masks are from Mexico, and they are symbols representing pre-Columbian traditions. So this is traditions of the native people of Mexico before the Spanish started coming over from Europe. In all of the different masks that you can see behind me, we have images of animals, we have full face animals, we have human heads, and we have different sort of demon or monsters happening back here. So our project this week is to be inspired by all of the different masks in this collection and to design and create your own mask. So when you come to the Biggs, you'll get a plain white mask that you can create and design all your own symbols, colors, patterns, shapes on, and use all different types of materials, markers, crayons, tissue papers, and fun sparkly objects that you can add to make your mask anything that you want it to be. So come down to the Biggs, look at our great mask collection, and create your own mask with this month's Biggs Goods. Again, my name is Kristen, and thank you for joining us here at the Biggs Museum of American Art. Bye!